Hey there, Shyla here and
Katie
from Simply Earth. We are going to show you how to make a all-natural face scrub. So this face scrub is part 1 of our 6-step all-natural skincare routine, and we're really excited to show you how to do it. For this recipe, we are going to use 1 tablespoon of almond oil. We're going to use a half a tablespoon of oatmeal.
Yes.
Half a tablespoon of brown sugar.
Yes. Half a tablespoon of honey.
And then we're also going to use frankincense essential oil for this recipe.
So to start with, we're going to grind our oatmeal and brown sugar together in a coffee grinder. So we'll put our oatmeal and brown sugar in there. So this looks really good. We ground it up to be little pieces, and we're gonna just pour this out into another bowl. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in here, and then we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients and stir. So now that that's all mixed up, we're gonna add our 2 drops of frankincense, and we'll mix it in. And what we're gonna do is we're each gonna grab a small amount of this, and we are going to gently
massage our faces
in circular motions, and we're gonna get all kinds of dead skin and other things that we don't want our skin off of it. So it's grainy to get the dead skin off, but it's also moisturizing because it's got honey and almond oil in it. And now that our skin is looking pretty great, we're gonna rinse this off with warm water, and then we are gonna move on to step 2.
To make this recipe, we have everything that you would need in our essential oil recipe box. Our essential oil recipe box this month comes with the frankincense that we used for this recipe, rosemary essential oil, clear skin essential oil, clove essential oil, our lavender hydrosol oil that we're really excited to release.
It's new.
And also with this month, when you subscribe for the first time, you would get a big bonus box.
Woo woo! And that's what your almond oil comes in, along with coconut oil, fractionated and solid, beeswax, 5 milliliter bottles, and also 6 roll-on bottles.
So subscribe today and you'll get our August essential oil recipe box. Plus you get a big bonus box, all for $39. So subscribe today and make your home more natural.